Hi guys, I have Harshit with me, Harshit Gupta, and he is one of our students who has enrolled with game develop. Welcome Harshit. How are you?
I'm fine.
So Harshit, you chose gaming development. I would like to know what आपने क्यों इस course को choose करा?
Yeah, ma'am, because I have interest in gaming and know what how that works. That's why.
इसके पहले आपके एजुकेशन बैकग्राउंड क्या था, मैं उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा जान सकती हूँ?
Yes, ma'am. I'm class 12 pass out and
आपका
करा मैंने and from a CBSE.
आपने ये कोर्स कब ज्वाइन करा था और आपको अवोधा के बारे में कहाँ से पता चला, कैसे पता चला?
मेरे कजिन थे, उनने बताया था.
Acha, what is your current percentage level that you have reached for the course?
Around below 5%.
Acha, thank you to Joseph sir for having this kind of vision for our country, and I hope that we'll grow together. And I hope to see you as well in like someday, and I also hope to see your friends joining us as well. Thank you, Harshit. Thank you for your time. You have a good day ahead.
Thank you, ma'am.